Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use this URL library here to download a web page. So if you don't have the URL library already on board, I suggest you download it through pip. Right, okay, so let's start off. Let's create a variable called URL and we're going to assign it to input. And we're just going to say something like www dot. So the user will type in the website address there, and we're going to create another variable called response. Response here. We're going to assign that to urllib dot request dot URL open, and that's going to be the URL that we typed into the user input URL there. Right, so basically we created another variable there and we're going to request that it opens this URL here, and then we're going to create another variable called content. I'm simply going to call it page content. I'm going to assign it to response dot read. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to print out the contents. So we simply do print, and that's going to be page content dot decode, and we're going to decode it into UTF-8. Okay, so basically that's it. So all we have to do now is run the program, download page. Let's just save it here. Let's run the program. And, let's just make this a little bit bigger. So we type in HTTPS and then www.example.com, hit enter, and there we go, we've downloaded the web page. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.